To power on the remote, press the top left red button until the green light flashes. The red light indicates a low battery. To start the engine, hold the left black button down until the engine starts. To lift, press the right black button once to engage the vacuum. To release, press and hold both yellow buttons for 2 seconds. To stop the engine, press the red Ease Stop button. To power down the remote, press and hold the top left red button until both lights stop flashing. To power on the remote, press and hold the bottom red button. While holding the red button, press and hold the top green button. Now release the red button, then release the green button. The remote is now on. The top right flashing light indicates the remote is on. To lift, press the top middle gray button to engage the vacuum. To release, press and hold the middle 2 round gray buttons, left and right, for 2 seconds. To power down the remote, press the bottom red button. To power on the remote, press the top green button once. The top right light flashes to show the remote is on. The top left light indicates a low battery. To lift, press the top left gray button once to engage the vacuum. To release, press and hold the top 2 buttons, left and right, for 2 seconds. To power down the remote, press the bottom red button. Do not engage the vacuum until the vacuum pad is properly positioned on the load. Place the lifter slowly. This allows the guide wheels to properly center the vacuum pad on the pipe. As you engage the vacuum, watch the gauge on the pad to ensure it is properly generating vacuum pressure. When lifting, keep the load as low as possible. Never leave a suspended load unattended. Never attempt to lift a load with a rope or other obstruction around the pipe. You will not be able to get the proper vacuum to safely lift. Make sure the area is clear when handling material. All bystanders must be kept at a safe distance. Rotate the load slowly and carefully lower it into position. Never release the vacuum while the load is being lifted. Make sure the load is properly supported before releasing the vacuum. To adjust the rotation speed, first, loosen the set screw on both flow control valves. Next, close both flow control valves by turning clockwise. Open both valves by turning them counterclockwise 1 full turn. Now check the speed of rotation. Close the valves a quarter turn, turning clockwise, to slow the rotation. Open the valves a quarter turn, turning counterclockwise, to speed up the rotation. Recheck the rotation speed. Once the desired speed is obtained, lock the control knobs in place by tightening the set screws. If the wireless remote control cannot be used, the emergency hardwire control can be installed. Note: when the hardwire controller is connected, the wireless remote transmitter will not work. To connect the emergency hardwire controller, unplug the connector from the receiver. Connect the plug to the connector. Route the control wires down the excavator stick, securing them with wire ties or straps. Ensure there are no potential pinch points.